Welcome, students. Today we are going to discuss elaborately subset. Okay. Now, before we start, I want to say to those who are new today, please open the description box and get the link. Click the link to get the previous classes one by one. Okay. Now, let's start. The set number one. The set Q of rational numbers is a subset of the set R of real numbers. Then we write Q subset R. The set of rational numbers. All the rational numbers set Q. Suppose is a subset of the set of R of real numbers. So, Q is a rational number and real numbers are. So, rational numbers includes real numbers. That is why Q subset R. Understood? Then, next, if A is the set of all divisors of 56 and B is the set of all prime divisor of 56. So students, come to this point, the set of all rational numbers. Rational means those are in the form of P by Q. So 5 by 2 is P by Q format, 3 by 2, 4 by 1 also. All real numbers may be rational numbers. So these rational numbers are also real numbers. So Q subset of R. Here real number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All are real numbers. Understood? So rational means those who are in the form of P by Q. So all real numbers are in the form of P by Q because 4 by 1, 1 by 1, 2 by 1, all are rational numbers and real numbers. That is why we say that Q, the set of rational numbers, also subset of R, which is the set of real numbers. Clear? Next. The next point, if A is the set of all divisors of 56. What is the divisor of 56? 7, 2, 8, 1. 7, 2, 8, 1, 4 also. 4, 14, 28, 56 and 7, 1, 2, 3, no, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, no, 7, 7, 8, yes, 9, no, 10, 11, 12, 12, no, 13, 14, 15, 16, no, 16, yes, 16. 16. Yes. Yes. So the divide all the divisors are maybe 7, 2, 8, 1, 4, 14, 28, 56. B is the set of all prime divisors. A is the set of all divisors and B is the set of all prime divisors. So here is prime divisors means 2 and 7, 2, 7. These are prime divisors. So A is the set of all divisors 56. B is the set of all prime divisors of 56. So 2 belongs to B, 7 belongs to B, 2 belongs to A and 7 also belongs to A. Here is two numbers similar to it. And that is why we can say that B is the subset. B is the subset of A. B is small. Here is two prime divisors, 2 and 7. Also include in the set elements of the set A, 7, 2. That is why B belongs here. B is a subset of A. Here is symbol. Next, let's A 1, 3 and 5 and B is a set where X is an element and X is an odd number. Then less than 6. So odd number less than 6. Here is the point. Odd number less than 6, odd number 1, odd number 3, odd number 5. Here is also 3 digits, 1, 3 and 5. So these are similar. These are similar, also similar. So that is why in that case we can say that A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A. A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A. That is A equal to B. So A is equal to B. When we write A is equal to B, here are 3 points to be noted. A is the subset of B, B is the subset of A, hence A is equal to B. There are 3 main points of the characteristics of subsets. Here is the point also to be noted, my dear students, that let A is equal to, or A is a set of, the elements are A, E, I, O, U. Clear? And B is equal to, or B is a set where the elements are A, B, C, D. There are 2 sets, A, B. Elements are A, E, I, O, U. B elements A, B, C, D. So, is these 2 sets are subset or not? Tell me. Think it. What is it? There is no similarity. A, E, I, O, U, only one A. But other elements are not equal. That is, A is not subset of B. A is not subset of B. Understood? A is not subset of B. And B is not subset of A. B also not subset of A. Though there is one similarity, elements common, A and A, but all the elements have to be common and similarities in this set. That's we can say that A subset B. But here is only one. It is not subset. So A is not subset of B and B is not subset of A. If there is B is the subset of B in this set A I, in that case what it will be? Think it. B is A I and here A is A E I O U. So only two and here is two. Only two elements and two elements, both all the elements are in that element similarities. That is where it can be A subset, B subset of A. B subset of A, but it is not. Here is, there is no subset. Understood? Okay. In another case, students, let A, set A and B are two sets. If A is subset of B and A not is equal to B. Two sets A and B. A subset of B, but A and B are not equal. Maybe. That is why A is called proper subset of B. Then we can say that A is called superset. A not is equal to B, but A is the subset of B. Then A is called proper subset of B. What is it? And B is called superset of A. Let's an example. A is 1, 2, 3. A is the subset of 1, 2, 3. And B is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the elements of A is 1, 2, 3. And elements of B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, A subset B. A subset B. Clear? A subset B. The elements of A 1, 2, 3 and B 1, 2, 3, 4. B is a greater than A because here the elements 4 and extra 4 and here is 1, 2, 3 similar to it. Similar to A. Similar to B. That's why A subset B. Clear? Students, follow. But here is A not is equal to B. A not is equal to B. In that case, because here is 3 elements, here is 4 elements. A, obviously A not is equal to B. Tick. Okay. Then A is called proper subset. Yes. A is called proper subset. Proper subset. Proper. And B is called superset of B. It is superset. Superset. Clear it? Next. Next, what is singleton set? Singleton sets, what do you mean by singleton sets? We know what is subset, superset, and now singleton sets. If a set has only one element, we call it a singleton set. Thus, A in this set, A is a singleton set. Clear? Next. Now, here is an example 9. Consider the sets phi A is a set of 1 and 3 elements, and B 1, 5, 9, C 1, 3, 5, 9, 5, 7, 9. So, we have to say insert the symbol subset or not subset. In these two sign can be inputted following pairs of set. So first, number 1, phi and B. Where is phi? Phi. Phi means null, 0. So phi is a set of null set, 0. So it is subset of B and all subset of B. Phi is subset of B. Yes. Also phi is subset of A. Phi is as far phi is always subset of all the sets. All the set. Every set. Every set. And next AB. AB. So which symbol is correct for A and B? Let's, here A elements are 1 and 3 and B 1, 5, 9. So in this set 1 belongs both sets. 3 belongs to it, but here is 3 not belongs to B. Here is 3 elements and here is no 3 not belongs to B. That is A and B are not subset. Clear? Why it is not? As for the elements of A is 1 and 3. The elements of B is 1, 5, 9. 1 is common, but here is 3 elements and here is no 3, 5 and 9. And also B have 5, but in this set 5 not belongs to A. That is why B also not subset of A. So it is clear. Now next, A and C. A and C. What is right? A and C. In this set A 1 and 3 and C 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here is two elements 1, 3 and here is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 belongs to A, 1 belongs to C. 3 belongs to A, 3 belongs to C. Subset. It is subset. Clear, students? And next, BC. What is the relation? BC. Now tell me, students, think it. Think. Here is 1, 5, 9 and C 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 belongs to B, 1 belongs to C. 5 belongs to B, 5 belongs to C. 9 belongs to B, 9 belongs to C. Understood? That's why B is a subset of C. Now, today, this is the end of my class. So, students, you know very well, we go through one by one, chapter wise, even example, theory, and exercise. Please, if you like it, please subscribe. And in the description box, you may get the previous classes one by one. Understood? So this is the end. Thank you. Bye bye. Till we meet again.